What's up? I'm popping on really quickly to give you guys a quick super easy tutorial, and it's something that's been done a million times honestly, but it hasn't been done on my channel, and my friends over on Instagram requested that I share with them how I get this style. So I'm basically gonna take my style down and do it again just so you guys can see how I did it. So yeah, that's it guys. That's basically how I do the style. As you guys can see, I'm not really gonna even do a whole ton of editing to this video because it literally took me the 5 minutes that I had left on my memory card to do this style. If you want a sleeker look with your edges and whatnot, you can use gel edge control. I personally don't use those. I prefer kinky edges than none. Like, I'm just saying, I'm just being cheeky right now, but as you guys can see, my hairline is relatively clean. Like, I don't have like short hairs to say that I'm gonna lay down some baby hairs. Like I just have a full 5 head and a clean hairline, and it's always been like this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.